Hi, I'm TC. In this tutorial I'll show you how to install CapCut for desktop and we'll take a look at some important starting settings. Let's do it! You have three ways to install CapCut for desktop. If you're on a PC, you can go to Microsoft Store. If you are a Mac, you can go to the App Store. But the easiest way for both systems is CapCut.com. Simple like that. And I'll show you this way. You go to CapCut.com and we'll click download, and it will show you download for Windows, download for mobile, because I use Windows, but if you are on a Mac, here will display download for Mac. So we click on it. The download starts here. Cool. We click on it and here we go. CapCut. Let's click on agree with CapCut. Install now. We wait. Okay, start now. And when we do it for the first time, it shows testing environment. Now CapCut is testing your system, your computer, and it will show you a message that CapCut is okay. That's the case, your computer can run CapCut smoothly, or maybe you have to update your video driver. But in my case, whee! Confirm. And here it is, CapCut. I'll close my Chrome browser and let's go to some important settings. First of all, sign in. If you don't sign in, it will display a watermark at the end of the video. So it's free. Just click sign in. Come on, man. And I will sign in with Google. But you can do it with Facebook also. Yeah, signing in. And another advantage about signing in is it remembers all your settings from other CapCuts from other computers that you have installed CapCut. And after we finish this tutorial, let me show you some important setup settings. You click here, okay, settings, settings. And here, save to, you can choose the folder of your computer that will receive all files. So I strongly recommend you choose a friendly folder. So you click here and you can choose like documents or something like that. Select folder. Here you can select a different language. I'm Brazilian, so I could choose Portuguese, but I will stick with English. Save, and that's it. This is how to install CapCut for desktop. If you liked this content, please subscribe to my channel to receive new videos every week. See ya!